Hey, this is Chris with TEXA USA, and today I'd like to introduce to you our new forming gas kit. Now, our forming gas kit works with any AC system that runs R134, R1234YF, and R744. Now, if you look over here to the right, you can see that we do have the kit right here, and we do have a hose connected to the vehicle. Now, if you want to bring your attention over here to the tank, this tank has a mixture of 95% nitrogen and 5% hydrogen. Now, the tank itself doesn't come with a kit, but you can purchase it at any of your major gas suppliers. So if you look over here to my left, you'll see the forming gas kit itself. Now, in this case, you'll get the pressure gauges and adapters for it, and you'll also get the H2 sniffer here. That will allow you to detect any of the forming gas that's leaking out. So you may ask the question, why choose forming gas over traditional dyes and trying to find the leak on the vehicle? Well, there's a couple things that come in mind. With this system, you'll actually be able to charge it and figure out where the leak is by using the H2 detector right in that bay. So you don't have to worry about running the engine, waiting for the dye to go through the system, and then tracing that back to figure out what the problem is. With this one, you can pinpoint it, let the customer know where the issue is, and then proceed with the repair. Another thing I'd like to point out about our kit is that it can be used to diagnose AC system leaks on different kinds of vehicles, such as heavy duty, like a Peterbilt, or off-highway, such as a John Deere tractor. If you have any other questions or comments, you can leave them below or contact your local sales rep. And as always, thank you for staying up to date with TEXA.